Alright guys, welcome to Personality channel. Okay, there's this brand new project called Chain. You can see I just earned 200 points. So you can accumulate points. I think this kind of project will show for you than this Telegram project that you are doing. Understand? Because most of these Telegram project they will come up with an excuse that make you not to earn reward. So now this is what you need to do. I'll post my link on this under this video. Make sure you click on it. Don't just click on it, copy it and use MetaMask or OKS, any browser that support the external extension. Then you endpoint. So I think this even pay you more than your farm work, your company work. So you need to know where to invest your time and your money. So for example now, all this point, if you claim it, if you don't make, you can make $100 to $200, depend on how serious you are and how many points you claim. So 10% of this project coin will be going to a testnet user. Like for example, those of us that will be doing this transaction and many things. So if you want to receive the coin, just send. You can use faculty or we post your wallet under this video. Then I'll send to you. You send to me. You can send to each other so that we'll grow. Then you share my link so that we can grow together. It's all about if you grow our community, we can also earn more big reward. So that is how it is. So now, once you come here, I've already request for this 0.1 now. Next thing, you can request for all those coin here. If I select this one, I've already request for all the coin. So you don't need to approve. Just click on request and wait for it. If your network is good, it will just bring it for you. Then the next thing, you can see now change. There's a lot of building coming up. So, for example, some of us in Nibiru, this is how we earn points. Even this point is very simple. You understand? When we earn Nibiru, we make, like me, I know I make $25 from Nibiru. $25 is something, it's more than, it's close to someone's salary just for doing tasks. So, this is it. Another one is here. So, take early advantage. So, now, let's look at the Techmonic. Now, they have 10%, 10 billion supply. And 10% of the coin will be going to community, which is 1 billion. Another 2% will be going to early contributor like me and you now, which is you can share 200 million. So you will be fast with it and get as many points as you can. Use my link. Then you invite others to get your referral link. After you have done the daily checking, so as you continue checking, the more points you will earn. See, first you earn 100 first day. From second day to 7th day, you earn 100 points. From like 28 days, you earn 500 points. So the more you continue without skipping a day, the more you'll be earning. So to copy your referral link, you can see you earn 100 points for each invitation. So just copy your link. And there's a galaxy task and a silly task. So I make sure you do those tasks because these are the tasks that will qualify you for airdrop. I will go and check on it. I'll get the link and I'll paste it under my video. So once you see it, click on it. Let's join. Let us make another money. I think I prefer this kind of thing than the Telegram one. You don't need to stay there all the time. Even this one, you don't need to stay there. So at least be doing one. If Telegram not pay you, disappoint you, this one can pay you. You understand? Because I need this one not pay you, and I can pay you. So that's why you don't need to focus on one alone. You need to be maximizing it by jumping from one to other, and also make sure you have enough point. It's not if I cannot just only get this 200 point and be happy that I made something. I need to be gathering. If you are struggling with 20 people, are already struggling with 1 million. Understand? So that is how it is. If you see a nice project that is very simple like this, take early advantage. Rush it as many as you can. Then you earn the benefit, you enjoy the benefit. So I think from day one you'll be earning 100 points 7 days. From day two, from 7 days, you'll be earning 150 points. You see, so it will continue like this. 500. If you reach 28 days, you continue earning 500 points daily. So this is a good way of accumulating points. These points are very important. That time you convert it to this coin. Before you know, they say you have maybe 200, 300. You go market, you go sell them. Before you know, you claim up to $200, and it's a good money to claim. Thank you. I'm looking for me. As you don't see it and take it. Me, I'm hunting for it. I'm hunting for this kind of opportunity. So when I see it, I take it as I see it. You understand? Because I know the benefit. If you either you prefer hard work or prefer soft work, it's your choice. You understand? Even the people that are around you that say how let's say they are you are scamming or whatever, then they are doing physical scamming and witches and wizards. So you can choose your own. Either you join them or you to suffer, or you do the soft work and enjoy your life. Simple as ABCD. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to others.